I'm here in beautiful Zadar, the oldest continually inhabited city in Croatia. And that, right there, is the Pillar of Shame, a place where they would publicly bring out people and shame them and whip them and all kinds of awful things. And so many of us hold on to shame, and we're shamed by other people, and we do it to ourselves, internally chaining ourselves to a pillar of shame and whipping ourselves. And it might be good if we knocked that off. So maybe we can do that with some tapping. So taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Even though I feel all this shame, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I feel all this shame, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I feel all this shame, feeling that I'm not good enough, feeling that I've done so many wrong things, that I'm not worthy and deserving of feeling good. And even though I feel all this shame, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved in this. Because I choose to feel that free. All this shame, all these feelings of shame, all this fear that I'm not good enough, because of things that I've done, which I feel defines who I am. And so I feel unworthy. And maybe I've been told, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be shamed. Maybe in all kinds of ways. Maybe since the beginning of my life. People have chained me to a pillar of shame. And I hold on to that in my energy system. Because I was told I was supposed to. Because I was told it was necessary. Because I was told it was somehow beneficial. And it begs the question, how is this really helping? Who is this helping? Do I think it's helping me? Maybe I think it stops me from doing bad things. But when we do bad things, it's usually because we don't feel so good. Shame doesn't really motivate better behavior. And wherever it came from, it's only here right now. On my own personal pillar of shame. And I choose to set myself free. So what am I afraid will happen when I set myself free? What am I afraid I'll do when I'm free from that shame? How do I think this shame is protecting me? Whatever that stuff might be. I choose to release it here and now. I'm releasing the shame. Releasing it at a cellular level. Releasing it all the way back through my past. Back through all the times where I was taught to feel shame. When I was convinced I should be ashamed. It's nonsense. I am worthy and deserving of feeling good. I'm worthy and deserving of feeling good about myself. Part of me already knows this. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here tapping right now. I'm giving myself permission to release all the remaining shame. It's okay for me to be free from it. It's safe for me to be free from it. I'm setting myself joyfully free. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. And just checking in and seeing how you feel about yourself. Hopefully feeling more worthy of love, more willing to love yourself. Please and thank you. And lather, rinse, repeat as necessary. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way of you feeling great about yourself and then sharing that greatness with the world, I'm here for you. Thanks.